Hey guys, welcome back to Everything iOS, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch. This is a Space Grey 40mm Series 4. I have done a gold unboxing for you. I've done a little bit of sort of a unboxing of a Space Grey one for you before, but I wasn't happy with the quality of it. So I've gone ahead now and ordered another one, and I'm going to unbox it for you guys here. So I've already taken the wrapper off. So let's take that off. As you can see, this is pretty neat. As I was showing you guys from the gold one. So there we have it. So we have the strap in a nice case. We have the watch itself, as you can see there, with the grey embossed icon at the top. So let's just pop that to one side, and let's open up the strap and see what they're like for the Space Grey. Hang on a second guys, I'm struggling here. There we go. So we have this pillow tab, sorry. Yeah. And here we have some instructions on how you actually put the watch on. So as here is telling you to slide on, but it locks in position. Then it tells you the bottom one. And it shows you then the loop. So it loops round, put the buckle in, and you tuck it under, as this is the tuck band, as one of the things you'd call it. So let's open this up. So as you here, you have two sizes. You have a small and medium and large, just tucked in nice, and then obviously that aluminium little ball, which allows you to slot into these holes here. So I'm going to get that out. That's just a strap. I'm going to try it in. Oh, that's tight guys. So that I'm going to pop that to the side. Actually I'm going to just nice and neatly do that. And pop that back in. So I really like that guys, it's nice and smooth. I'm sorry about the groggy voice guys, I've got a bit of a cold coming, so I do apologise for that. Yeah, that's really nice. When I bought my original Apple Watch in 2015, it all came in one box actually. Just for you guys. Oh, sorry. This is exactly what I mean. So this is my original Apple Watch box. Obviously there's nothing in here at the moment. And it came in, I don't have that on me, but it came in sort of one of these plastic things. So I got that band in there right now, but that was in there. And obviously all the adapters stuck into there, so as you can see it was all in one box. But now, with the new one, it comes in two. So let's just quickly move this back out of the way too. And let's bring these back into shot. So now let's dive into the watch. So that's cool guys, just the same as the Space Grey one. The gold one, sorry. comes in a cool case, which is nice. You just slide it up, just get it out, put that back there. It's really kind. Probably got my groggy fingers all over that already. Here's the back. Nice new design. Front with a new larger screen. Like I said, guys, this is the 40mm. Obviously it's the LTE version because I got the red dots. You can see the new digital crown. The microphone is now this side and the speakers are this side, where before they were both located on this side. As you can see as well, the speaker is almost twice the size. You can see all the clip bits to release the bands there and there. Let's see what else is new, guys. So let's keep that aside and pop that on there so we don't damage the underside. So next up we have the strap. Strap's only the charger. Pop that back in there. Obviously it's still the same magnetic one. Obviously the plastic outside. If you buy the stainless steel watches, this comes with a stainless steel band, but obviously for the aluminium ones they just still the plastic. A good quality plastic. They plastic there. So let's put that aside. And obviously you got the plug. Obviously I'm in the UK, guys, so it's a nice UK plug. So very neat that they've done it. They've done this with the original Apple Watch as well. But it's a proper travelling mug and travelling plug, which is nice and neat. So yeah, guys, that's this video. I'm gonna wrap it up now because I want to try and keep this video under 10 minutes here. But yeah, guys, please like, subscribe, and any new products I have, more than likely related to Apple, I will upload them. Do an unboxing video of them for you guys. And please, guys, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. So I really would like your support, guys. I suppose I could slide these on while I'm here. Oh, that was smooth. So that's the Apple Watch Series 4, guys. Again, it's the 40mm. So I'm very happy with that, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and again, I know I'm repeating myself, but please like and subscribe to the channel so I can carry on making these videos for you guys. And as soon as I get new products, I'd be the first to do a video of the unboxing and get them out to you guys. So yeah, guys, thank you very much. And check it out now. Bye, guys.